Yo, what's up YouTube? In this video, let me show you how to set your date and time on your Sony camera. Let me show you. So to set our date and time on our Sony camera, so this is our Sony camera. This is a A7 III. So on any Sony camera, you will come to here on menu. You'll see a menu button. Then after pressing menu button, you click this one, the right button, this one, okay? This one where there is the right button. You go into up to where we shall go. You click like this up to where you reach here where there is like a suitcase. You understand? So we shall click up to where we reach the suitcase. So we are in the suitcase. Like page. Okay. When we reach there, we shall check for number, date and time. You see the date and time. You see. So you see date and time. After click on the date and time, you scroll down. You go to date and time. Okay. Then you change the date, the exact date you want to set, understand? Then after click enter when you set everything, okay? Then if you want to change the format, you can change the format of your date and time. If you want to start with date, month and year, you can change it all there. So after everything, you click here on the menu button here. You see, you click here on the menu button here, then you go back. So now we have set our date and time correctly. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and give me a like button so that YouTube can recommend my videos to another people. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.